Introducing Paraiso, Melia acida rock of the family Meliaceae. Paraiso has a rounded crown and commonly measures 7 to 12 meters tall with an exceptional height of 45 meters. The leaves are up to 50 centimeters long, alternate, long petiole, 2 or 3 times compound, with serrate margins. The flowers are small and fragrant, with 5 pale purple or lilac petals growing in clusters. Paraiso is a Southeast Asian plant with anti-inflammatory, antipyretic, analgesic, and insecticidal properties. It contains bioactive compounds like flavonoids, alkaloids, terpenoids, and saponins. Recent studies have shown that extracts from Paraiso have anti-cancer properties and antimicrobial activity against various pathogens. Paraiso is used for its anthelmintic, antilytic, diuretic, emmenagogue, astringent, and stomachic properties.